creative explorers! Are you ready for an adventure that's big, bold, and full of fun? Today, we're diving into the exciting world of GC excavators. And guess what? We're going to bring them to life with our own drawings and colors. Imagine a giant, yellow machine, strong and powerful, ready to dig and build. That's our friend, the GC Excavator. Think about all the amazing things these incredible machines do. They help build our roads, our houses, and even playgrounds where we love to play. They're like the superheroes of the construction world, making our dreams a reality, one scoop at a time. Let's imagine a story about a very special excavator named Digby. Digby wasn't just any excavator. He had the biggest heart and the most curious spirit. He loved his job, but he also loved to explore. One sunny morning, as Digby was helping to build a new park, he heard a tiny, sad sound coming from a pile of dirt. He carefully lowered his big bucket and peeked inside. There, nestled amongst the soil, was a little lost ladybug, looking very worried. Digby's heart ached for the little creature. He knew he had to help. Very gently, using the tip of his arm, he nudged a soft leaf closer to the ladybug. Then, with the utmost care, he scooped up the leaf and the ladybug and placed them on a bright green blade of grass, right where they could see the path back home. So, as you draw and color your own amazing GC excavators, remember Digby and his adventure. Think about the important jobs these machines do, and how they can also be gentle and caring. You can draw your excavator helping to build a school, or maybe even digging a garden for some beautiful flowers. The possibilities are as endless as your imagination. Whose name was Dot, was so relieved. She thanked Digby with a tiny, happy wiggle of her antennae. Digby felt a warmth spread through his engine. He realized that even though he was big and strong, he could also be kind and helpful in small ways. From that day on, Digby always kept an eye out for anyone who needed a little help. He learned that by using his strengths responsibly and with a kind heart, he could make a big difference, not just in building things, but in making the world a happier place for everyone, big and small.
No.
journey today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep spreading kindness, just like Digby. If you enjoyed this, feel free to follow along for more fun adventures.